Respect brings harmony. Yielding brings merit. The phrase, respect brings harmony, yielding brings merit, reflects a principle rooted in Confucian ethics, emphasizing the virtues of respect, harmony, and the value of yielding or adapting in social interactions. Let's analyze this phrase from various perspectives. Analyze from the perspective of philosophy. Confucian ethics. Respect. In Confucianism, respect is fundamental to social harmony. It involves recognizing the worth of others, their roles, and their contributions. Harmony. Harmony refers to the balance and peaceful coexistence among individuals and within society. It is achieved through mutual respect, understanding, and cooperation. Yielding. Yielding or accommodating others' viewpoints and needs is seen as a virtue in Confucianism. It promotes social cohesion and prevents conflicts. Balance and reciprocity. Reciprocal relationships. Confucian ethics emphasize reciprocal relationships where respect and yielding contribute to mutual understanding and trust. Merit. Merit or achievement comes from the ability to adapt, compromise, and work together harmoniously for the greater good. Psychological and societal implications. Psychological benefits. Mutual respect. Respectful interactions foster positive emotions, trust, and psychological well-being among individuals. Yielding and flexibility. Being able to yield or adapt promotes flexibility, reduces conflict, and enhances problem-solving abilities. Social harmony. Conflict resolution. Respect and yielding are crucial in resolving conflicts peacefully and maintaining harmonious relationships. Teamwork and collaboration. In societal contexts, respecting diverse opinions and yielding when appropriate fosters teamwork, collaboration, and collective achievements. Practical applications. Leadership and governance. Effective leadership. Leaders who demonstrate respect for their team members and stakeholders build trust and unity. They also recognize the importance of yielding when necessary to achieve consensus and progress. Community relations. In communities, fostering respect and practicing yielding promotes cohesion, solidarity, and a sense of belonging. Education and parenting. Teaching values. Teaching children and students the importance of respect and the skill of yielding prepares them for harmonious relationships and responsible citizenship. Critique and context. Balance with assertiveness. While respect and yielding are important virtues, they should be balanced with assertiveness when necessary to uphold principles, rights, and justice. Cultural variations. The interpretation and practice of respect and yielding can vary across cultures and contexts. What constitutes respect and when yielding is appropriate may differ. Conclusion. The phrase "respect brings harmony, yielding brings merit" encapsulates Confucian ideals of social ethics, emphasizing the value of respect, harmony, and flexibility in interpersonal relationships and societal interactions. By promoting mutual respect and the ability to yield or adapt when necessary, individuals and communities can achieve harmony, resolve conflicts, and achieve collective goals more effectively. To persuade with eloquence and to act with humility. The phrase, "to persuade with eloquence and to act with humility," encapsulates a dual ideal of effective communication and moral conduct. Let's analyze this phrase from philosophical, practical, and ethical perspectives. Philosophical analysis. Rhetorical persuasion. Eloquence. Persuading with eloquence involves the skillful use of language and rhetoric to convey ideas convincingly and effectively. In ancient Greek philosophy, eloquence was valued as a means to influence and persuade others through reasoned argumentation. Moral conduct. Humility. Acting with humility involves modesty, selflessness, and a lack of arrogance or pride. It reflects a recognition of one's limitations and a willingness to listen to others and learn from them. Practical applications. Effective communication. Persuasive communication. Eloquence in speech helps articulate ideas clearly and persuasively, making it easier to convince others and gain their support. Public speaking. Effective public speakers use eloquence to engage their audience, convey their message compellingly, and inspire action. Ethical behavior. Humility in action. Acting with humility fosters positive relationships, promotes teamwork, and encourages collaboration rather than competition. Leadership. Humble leaders earn respect and trust as they prioritize the needs of others and are open to feedback and differing viewpoints. Ethical implications. Balancing persuasion and integrity. Ethical communication. While persuading with eloquence is important, it should always be grounded in honesty, integrity, and respect for others' perspectives. Integrity and humility. Acting with humility ensures that one's actions align with ethical principles, demonstrating sincerity and genuine concern for others. Cultural and contextual considerations. Cultural variability. Cultural differences. The perception of eloquence and humility can vary across cultures. What is considered persuasive or humble behavior in one culture may differ in another. Contextual adaptation. Adapting to situations. Effective communication and ethical behavior require adapting one's approach to different contexts and audiences while maintaining humility and ethical integrity. Conclusion. The phrase, "to persuade with eloquence and to act with humility," underscores the importance of combining effective communication skills with ethical conduct. It encourages individuals to communicate persuasively while maintaining humility, integrity, and respect for others. By integrating eloquence and humility in speech and action, individuals can foster understanding, build trust, and inspire positive change in both personal and professional contexts.